Toyota has got the plug-in hybrid shown here in the EVS. When will it come to Norway?
First of all, the plug-in hybrid here is based on current generation Prius. This is the first demonstration program. We have a small number of vehicles in Paris, in France, and in the UK, and we're involved in gathering some data to understand how consumers actually use those vehicles. We will start much bigger scale demonstration using third generation Prius, which goes on sale in Europe, including here in Norway in June. We will start using plug-in version of that, full hybrid technology, 100 vehicles in Strasbourg, and this will be, it is intended a 3-year trial to understand how consumers react, how they use the vehicle, to gather information, and this will enable us to decide the best way to configure the vehicle, and then we can make decisions about marketing. So no decision about introduction of plug-in hybrid vehicle. The whole reason is we have to do the trial to better understand consumer requirements. Then we can make our final decisions.
So that means the earliest year you can put it into the market is 2014?
I didn't say that. We don't necessarily have to wait to the end of the 3-year trial, but nor are we making any final decision at this point. So I'm not implying a date, but we are moving strongly in that direction. It's a big commitment from our company. We want to work with our partner, EDF Energy. There is also all the infrastructure side, whether it was Norway or France or the UK, for charging for the consumer. All of this has to be resolved. So it's a major step and one we have to plan very carefully.
You also have developed a prototype of an electric vehicle, a very beautiful small car.
Indeed.
What are your plans for that car? When will you introduce it?
This one we have said that we will introduce in 2011. It was on the stand at the Geneva Motor Show. It's based on our very innovative IQ, and we see that as a small city commuter car. So we will introduce 2011.
And when will you introduce it in Norway?
Again, we haven't made specific plans country by country, again too soon for that, but we tend to make these decisions as far as we possibly can pan-European, so I don't want to include or exclude any country.
Thank you very much.
It's my pleasure. Thank you very much indeed.